Hello friends, today we are going to draw a very easy and cute Pooh the Bear. With a pencil we will draw a big oval of the same size as the bear, and then we will cut the oval in half. These are only guidelines, and then we will going to draw the real bear. Let's start with the actual drawing. You can always draw with the pencil first and then finalize with the pen. The top half will be the face and the lower half will be the body. Drawing lines on the oval created before. If you like the video, please click the like button and share it with your friends. Before starting the coloring, erase the pencil lines. Let's start the fun part, the coloring. Yay! I am using brush pens, but you can use pencil colors, crayons, or even sketch pens. First coloring along the outlines and then filling the color. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.